High on the mountainside, volcanologist Jim Moore has found fragments of coral and seashells embedded in the rocks. The problem is, they are at heights of over 1,000 feet above sea level. That's almost as high as the Empire State Building. These boulders of lava came downhill from the old volcano, but they too are mixed with fragments of coral. The question for Moore was how they got uphill.
The first real breakthrough was when this Navy map was declassified in the early 60s. But one of the things that caught our eye is the fact that with the island of Molokai here, the north half seems to be missing. There's a train of debris that extends out a great distance to the north. Likewise with the island of Oahu to the northeast, great trains of debris that extend toward the north, which appeared to be giant landslides. I did an analysis of this, satisfied myself that these were landslides on an enormous scale.
For the scientists, it was a revelation. It confirmed that Jim Moore's original 2 landslides were real. But it also showed that there were many more, at least 17, and all around the islands. By dredging, they brought up samples that dated back 100,000 years. Here was the power that could have created a Pacific-wide tsunami.
And very likely the rapid movement of a landslide like this could have produced the wave deposits of the sort that we saw on the island of Lanai.
On the latest seafloor map from the west coast of the Big Island, Hawaii, the landslide carved out a path where huge blocks were carried out to sea. Such a force would have generated a tsunami big enough to wash coral high up the hills of Lanai and sweep across the Pacific to Australia. Jim Moore's theory about Hawaii's volcanic slides was confirmed, just as geologists were finally accepting the existence of long run-out slides on land.